Let's work together and learn how to complete a Kakooma puzzle. You can read along, or I'll just go over this whole thing with you. So each four-number group is its own puzzle. And we're going to start with this top one up here. You can see the 12, 6, 5, and 11. We need to find one number that is the sum of two other numbers. Because you see that plus in the middle, we're doing sums. Do you see one? That's right, 11 is the sum of 5 and 6. So we'll circle 11, then we'll move on to the next box. First, we're going to write it in the top box of the final puzzle down here. And we'll go ahead and try the group on the right here. 4 plus 3 is 7, so we're going to circle that 7. And we'll write it in the final puzzle, down there in the same spot. Next, we're going to look at the bottom puzzle. Looking at that bottom group, 12, 6, 4, and 8. We're going to circle the 12. Do you see why we're going to circle the 12? That's right, because 12 is the sum of 4 and 8. So we'll write the 12 at the bottom for the final puzzle and move to the group at the left. Which number should we circle on this one? That's right, it's 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5. So we're going to circle the 5 and put it in the final puzzle as well. There we go. And we're not quite done yet because we need to solve the final puzzle. So now we're going to take 5 plus 7. We know that equals 12. So let's go ahead and circle the 12, and we'll write that in the final answer box. That is how we complete a Kakooma puzzle. There are different levels of Kakooma. This one's a little harder. It has 6 groups with 6 numbers in each, but we still solve it the same way. Finding the sums in each set of 6, writing them in the final puzzle below, and then writing our final answer after we've solved that final puzzle out to the side. This one has 9 groups with 8 numbers each. But you guessed it, we still solve it the same way. There's our sums, and we add those down into the final puzzle, and looking through those options in the final puzzle, we see that 23 would be our final answer. That's the gist of the Kakooma puzzles. Now you know how to solve a